Hello guys, today I want to show you how you can clean your old coins with regular household items which you probably already have at your home. For the purpose of this video, I have taken 4 old coins here. These are from 4 countries, from Nepal, from the United States, from UK, and one is from the Czech Republic. For this video I have taken half cup of vinegar from my kitchen and 1 teaspoon of salt. Well, basically you can also take more concentrated solution, but I was not sure about any damage to the coin, so I took this concentration. To my knowledge, this solution should not hurt the coins, but probably you should not put different metals into a common solution. However, I'm not sure about that, and I could not figure out any damage to the coins. As you can see, I have already prepared the solution with, as I mentioned, a half cup of vinegar and 1 teaspoon of salt. Now I'm going to put the 4 coins into it, and actually you will instantly see the change. When you look at the coins, it's getting brighter, it's getting cleaner. Just wait for a few seconds, and depending upon the concentration of the solution, it works really instantly. Sometimes there might be kind of hard grease or a very sticky dark material, so I used a brush to scrub them, which helps really. Now you can already see the final result. It's mind-blowing how quick it cleans the coin. I hope it helps you. Thank you for watching, and please subscribe.